So dog, you smoke off a weed no dog? You ever smoke weed yet? What you mean, man? Yo, give me some of the weed, man. Alright. Don't kill off yourself, you know that.
Bocopina. Bocopina.
I was just telling you. Dog, I'm mad at come man. I'm not answer that. What are those thinking green and boy not answer phone? Mommy, no. Mommy, listen up. Not them something. You better make sure come home here. That matter. Make sure come home and come wash up the table.